Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Conrad Nats.
Hello world, I wonder if this is streaming. Home. Yeah. Alright, so I do these live streams like every day and I just like work on the live stream. So you can see my toothbrush, you can see my, I'm gonna correct a little bit of the angle. And so I'm just like working on an app. And I just got home from the gym. It's 8:04 p.m. and I'm gonna drink my protein shake. And I got my dinner here, so I'm just gonna like chill here and finish my dinner and start working. And I'm just like I live stream like my work and like whatever's on my mind, just because it's like I strongly believe in using technology to the fullest. Camo crashed. Let's see, is this fucking working? Let's see, is this fucking working? Oh, so I think. Let's see, is this fucking working? Oh, so I think. Let's see, is this fucking working? Hmm. Oh, I see. There is already. Oh, I see. Oh, created one for tomorrow. That's good. That's perfect. I deleted the one I created. Sophie. I think every day cold plunge would be amazing. So I'm gonna eat and talk. And I'm talking to my future self. And the world. Like when I was a kid, I was like maybe 6 or 7, and I realized, and I'm talking to my future self. I realized I was just like playing with, like goofing off with my sister, and we started talking to the camera. No, I started to just talking to the mirror, and I was like amazed that I had this personality, and I was like amazed. I was like, wow, this is amazing, because it's so rich and it's so powerful and varied. Like to use your power of yourself, because otherwise, if you're quiet, you just get stuck in your loops of thinking. It's amazing to actually like use the full repertoire of your mind and your emotions and your body and your face, and that's what I believe in. I believe strongly in that. So like that's why I love I love creating content. Oh, good. That was a mandarin seed. Where did it go? Not a mandarin. That was, what is this? Orange or mandarin? Yeah. All right. So I have this ham and cheese sandwich from this Argentinian deli. Shit. I think life is pretty good, like in terms of being relatively healthy, being relatively, free. I mean, honestly, my life could not get better. I mean, no, actually, that's not true. Like, what's really amazing is like, I have the opportunity to create amazing world-changing software, like with what I'm doing right now. Like, all you need is focus on something, build something. I have a great idea. I'm just gonna fucking build it today, tomorrow. That's what motivates me. That's why I sat down right now to like live stream. I want to be the way I want to be. There's many ways to be. The way I want to be is I want to express my gratitude to the world through creating tools, creating software. Steve Jobs said it perfectly. It's perfect. Oh, well, they're 5 minutes apart and at the same spot, so I have to. So pretty much same thing. Same thing. I was just I'm glad someone did it. I didn't know what to do. All right, so I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna dive into the work, which is a World app, and I feel pretty bullish on World app, World Mini app. Like it's just got a vibe. Like it's gonna be like I'm early. You can just build an app there and. Be excited. Be excited. It's live streaming. And it's already 8:16. I'm gonna wake up at fucking 6:50 and I'm gonna go to the run club. Today I woke up at 7 and I had a really nice morning session, work session. Like actually, and then I went to the, which I live streamed, and then I went to the 9 p.m. Gnosis session. That was good. So what that is like yoga and then breath work and then like some kind of sound healing. It's like a mix of all these. I just loved it. Like, so I just want to say thank you to them, Paul Kuhn and his wife. What I've discovered is I have a gift. Like I have a gift of my intelligence, my abilities, my heart, my talents. And it's a great sin to let that go to waste because of your fear or your negative conditioning, or you had a bad environment. Maybe you had somebody that like brought you down and taught you to think bad of yourself. When I was in 7th grade, my sister came up to me in the hallway and she was like, "Conrad, why do you look down on the ground when you walk through the hallway?" And I was like surprised by her question because to me it was normal. I couldn't imagine anything else. I was stuck in a cycle of deep fear. And that had to do with being in the USA, but it had to do with the house I was in. the environments I was in, I was not able to find a way to be relaxed and calm and expand my mind and to learn. So I was in a constant state of tension, which was because of the environment that I was in. It was very fucked up. But to me, it was like normal, and I had no idea that I could like do anything different because you're a child and you can't. You don't have the experience, and if nobody is there to see that in you and take you out of that spot, you're not gonna fucking get out of there until you go out there in the world and you get some experience and you figure your shit out. And it may take you 10 years, it may take you 1 year, it may take you a whole lifetime. It may take you several lifetimes. Some people never, like, to become fully independent, to be independent, to be free, to be free, to be free from conditioning, from fear cycles of fear. I keep watching my drum videos, and I love that.
The fact that life is transient is part of its liveliness. The poets, in speaking of the transience of the world, always utter their best poetry. You know, our rebels now are in. These our actors, as I told you, are all spirits, and are melted into air. Fabric of this vision. The fact that life is transient.
Like, I make videos so I can watch them, and I just watch them over and over again.
The poets, in speaking of the transience of the world, always utter their best poetry.
Because it's a way of, it's a diary. It's a way for me to get to know myself and to expand my sense of self. Explore the world. Within and without. Do I like Alan Watson? He's very interesting. The sandwich and the meal was like spot, and it was cheap. Like the sandwich was 5,000. And it was just bread, cheese, and ham, and like butter. So that it comes out to like $3. And it was like this big. It was pretty good. crash. All right, and now I'm gonna set a Pomodoro and do a 25-minute timer and do a meditation. First, do a set intention, like meditate. I'm gonna do recenter. Lumi. it. I think a better way is doing this. More stable. I can like move a little bit down here. What happened there? I think it died. Maybe I can do this. Recharge. That like when you're working, you really have to be in a deep meditative peace. In psychology, like there's this great great fact that you can actually change your way of being, change yourself through acting like the person you want to become. Oh. So this is how like manifestation really works. So that's my fun fact for today. Yeah, like like we're so conditioned by our environment, by like school. Like it's what I noticed like when in my school experience. I was like it's very, if you don't have a very safe, secure home base from which you can operate, then you're very much fucked as a kid. And the safe space, like being in a home where you're able to relax and feel you can like build skills and compound skills and like grow your abilities. That's really important. That's like what really will determine your success in life. So it's very critical for like an adult human operating in the world. It's like you have to be like very very clear about the boundaries of yourself and others, like what you're able to give and what you're able to receive and what you're able to do and what you're able how that exchange works. And like what your value is, that's very very important to figure out. At least like that. Well, it's to develop. We'll figure out. No, it's like really you have to develop that skill of being able to successfully promote your interest, your desire, your communicate your goals and desires and what you're going to do. And that happens through like iterations and it's like feedback loops. Individuals exist in feedback loops around our environments. So that's really what happens.
A platform for creating for researchers. We are trying to lower that with Ogmi, a WorldCoin app that uses payments and human verification. Now let me walk you through it. Here on the homepage, you see a reel of all the AI character posts. Let's create our first character. We have to verify humanity. So this prevents spam. It makes it possible that only humans are benefiting from this platform. You can choose an image and we will take one. All right, that's it. Wallet address is my WorldCoin wallet and the amount of a tip with in WorldCoin of the AIs. We can go into the profile and we can now create our first post. First, we can have conversations with the AIs to develop close bonds with them. This allows for the creators to have closer bonds with their audience. With a click of a button, you can do research for the most recent kind of topics for your AI character purpose, and you can select one of these prompts that were created with a prompt assistant, and that's me as an anime. Also, image flux is just creating a new image from scratch, directly from the prompt. And context allows you to edit and create images. Now we see all the AI characters on the feed, and the AI Profile Hub has a list of all the existing AI profiles on the platform.
a big question is like, do I change the name Ogme or just focus on Lumi and like focus on Luminolog and like build up this platform? Like I already studied. It's like, how do you decide this kind of thing? You should not even like worry about this so much. Like my project is amazing. I just googled Ogme and I see my ETH Global project and I'm watching the video and it's like, I'm proud of this shit. Yeah, ETH cans. It's fucking good, you know? It's I like Ogme. I'm just gonna go with Ogme, and then whatever. I'll just shift from Lumi to Ogme, just because it sounds better. It's fucking cooler. I'm just gonna go with what sounds cooler, and not really worry so much about it. Not think too much. Come on, where are you? How do I undo on Visual Studio Code? Code changed. I did like multiple code changes and I want to undo all of them. I just fucking like the name. Ogme, I like the name. one important insight that I discovered is like doing things like hackathons excite me because they're very closed systems. They have a start and end point that's very well defined, and then there's like a feedback loop where you present something. But in projects, I tend to get just like stuck on things and never like ship. So the idea is to have a clear goal, like that is kind of small, but it's impressive, like that it's kind of like significant, and then like work towards it. And work towards it in sprints maybe, but like in feats. Like I guess like Elon Musk does this. Like he does these things called feats, and he just like goes after like doing a very ambitious timeline very quickly. Okay, I'm gonna do one Pomodoro on. I'm just gonna use this, and I'm gonna get some water, and I'm gonna jam on the crypto coach. I get excited about this app. I like this app. It's fucking beautiful. Now I hope I can I AirPlay, iPhone mirroring, but I can't do it while having a Vision Pro. But I am plugged in, so I can just do iPhone mirroring, so there's another way. So that's beautiful. I don't have to fuck around with taking off the headphones. The Vision Pro. Oh, beautiful. I hope this works. Let's go. Get started. Oh, okay. I'm using Sidecar, so I'm unable to connect. Fuck that. Ugh, fuck that. Whatever, I am moving on. I'm hacking it together on the fucking, on my, on my burner account. But wait, what am I actually doing? I have to finish the Youth Global thing first. Alright, so I'm going to do lit protocol. I have to open a new folder, but here. So I'm going to work on ETH Global Online, ETH Online. What's fucked up about this, my VS Code doesn't work with Cloud Code. Why? I got a really nice tip for a Claude, to use the Claude code today. The Max account, the Pro account, and just use that. Okay, I'm set. Now I'm exploring the Vincent. So Lit protocol and Vincent. It's 9:13. I'm just gonna go to sleep. No, I'm gonna cut everything at 9:45. That means I have 30 minutes. That's not a lot of time. 9:45. I'm gonna close the laptop, close the live stream, go brush my teeth, and then go to bed, and then like do a 10-minute like sit, and then go to sleep. Ow, fuck. All right, so I'm on the moon of Jupiter now. I just closed the bubble. I'm talking about Vincent apps by the Lit protocol. And all right, let's fucking go do the quick starts. App starter kit. I have this starter kit, so this one's got wrapped BTC, DCA, dollar cost averaging. The demo is visible. Nine 21. I have 20 more minutes left, and I'm just okay. So should I just like, I know Steve Jobs is all about like saying no to things, but like I signed up for this hackathon, and I just have to like fucking. I don't want to lose that stake, you know. Fuck that. I just want to ship something. I know it's hard, but I also have other like I have this vision to create this mini app, and like. I just started it today. Like I want to make it happen, but like it takes a lot of time to make stuff happen. Okay, so I'll call this app uh, what kind of AI agent app should I make on crypto that will automate investing in coins and DeFi strategies? Okay, so just automate just buying Claude. I'll just automate finding new tokens and write an app description that will allow users to delegate some funds to an AI agent that will auto invest into new tokens, projects, meme coins, and others on other ERC20 tokens on Ethereum, Ethereum. What, like, of course, Ethereum, but like people are doing Solana, what the hell is that? Okay. Vincent, okay, grant permission. I did not log in with my MetaMask yet. On base. App name, Crypto Coach. This app researches and auto invests. What the hell? I just authenticated myself on here. Seducer@gmail.com. I have to do that again. I need a new terminal here. Run all service. After setting environment variables and starting the database, run PNP. Oh, I have the no Docker file. Where am I? ls. I have to install and build. Maybe that's it, but there's no core pack. What the hell? Yeah, I just love doing hackathons because you just get exposed to all the latest and greatest tools. Like, these guys are like the best, and I can just like take all the best tools, frameworks they use. So like when I started coding, I was like puzzled by like how people can shift from frameworks so easily in languages. I was just trying to learn one language and like one framework, like React, and it seemed so daunting and huge. And now I'm just like, of course, like you just see like these frameworks are just like, you have to step back a little bit, and you don't get too stuck in the weeds. I was just trying to perfect, like, struggling with one component, one piece of logic, one feature. But if you take a step back, you realize how much power you have. How much, it allows you to take a step back and you just use the same faculty, but you just get a bigger zoomed out picture. So that's the thing about getting stuck in the weeds, and like That's how you die. That's how your company dies, or as an entrepreneur. So, and use Vitae, always use all the latest and greatest tools. Don't be stuck in 90s or whatever. All right, what time is it? 9:28. I got maybe like. What is CorePack? Zero runtime dependency package acting as bridge between node projects and their package managers. All right, that's good. CorePack enable, is that a thing? Okay, that's a command. Local developments, let's do Mongo build. And starting the database run. Is there an env variable? What, can you tell me what env variables I need? Do I need any? Rename. All right, if the, all right, CorePack is about to download NPM registry. All right, fail. Failed. I'm trying to run this app locally according to the README. And when I start the Mongo build, and I see this error. So I'm going full on like Ogme, it's fucking good. And I have to build a landing page. So I need like a multiple windows here. I need another repo here. On this, oh, I started this folder. What's in here? Okay. Oh yeah, I can just do codecs? No, I need the Claude. $9:35, I have 10 more minutes. So, what does iteration mean for you? For what you're doing needs going from idea to demo in front of audience. Alright, don't get stuck on some Twitter rabbit holes. Hands are beautiful. Look at the hands. They're fucking beautiful. I think if you have beautiful hands, you have a beautiful soul. Alright, I have to focus on this shit. Why isn't there a Docker file here? Yes. Six minutes until I'm just cut off. 6 minutes until 9:45. Then brush my teeth and go to sleep. All right. So what does the Mongo build command do? And why was there a missing file? Um, I could just ask. But like, I need a fucking voice interface with this computer. I hate that. Like, I need a really good, damn fucking good voice interface with. I should just build that Mac app that just allows you to go voice to speech, voice to text, like really good. And fucking, I love this. All right, I gotta give it to this. The Apple Vision Pro is just baller. Look at it. It's fucking good as hell. All right. Why do I talk like that? Like, it's not really good. I should not be talking like that. All right, world, stop me. 9:41 p.m. So pnpm-r Mongo build means recursively -r pnpm will run Mongo build in all the workspace packages that have it defined. So where is it defined? You can see in the package it doesn't have a Mongo build script. It's actually defined in the workspace package. In the workspace package in here, in the back end. And there it is, Mongo build, Docker build. So that's good. So when you run the root search stuff. All right, so that builds the Docker local MongoD. Okay, let's go to the next step. At least this is some exercise for me to like just to get up to speed on like things that I got. I mean, like workspace package pnpm. I know this, but why don't I use it? Because I'm just all about cowboy coding, speed, and being kind of pragmatic. No, I just care about making apps. Like, I just prioritize making businesses. And like, it's not It's not easy. All right. Too many tabs open again. All right, so I'm running this app now, and it's beautiful. I should, oh wait, no, I don't want to delete this. And it's 9:43, I have 2 minutes left until I go to sleep. I can close Spotify. Preview, close. And I have to still make a drone video today, so I'm just gonna do that before I go to sleep. Because that's what I'm about. What's happening here? Console. Invalid variables. So which are I gotta look in the, that's the back end. Let's see what's in the back end. Like what packages do they use? Dependencies. Express. Cores. It's an Express server. A lot of lib protocol contracts. Sure, you can read the file. It's asking me for a cat command. Okay. Vitae app ID. The Vincent app ID. I have to create this Vincent app ID. All right, I feel pretty good. I have to like fill out this form for ETH Global check-in number 2, and I feel good. I feel fine about that. I made some progress. At least I would feel bad if I built starter kits, a plan about what feature to offer the user to research and buy new crypto projects that are promising. Good, there you go. All right, it's 9:49, and I submitted the check-in, so I feel good, and I'm gonna end the live stream. I'm gonna try to make a drone video. It's probably not a good idea. Probably get to sleep. And ending the stream, sending you good thoughts and vibrations and frequencies, because every thought matters. May you be free from suffering.